Welcome to your 15-minute full body workout. Let's start with some body weight squats. Keep your chest up and core tight. Let's get started with high knees. Keep that core tight. Now drop into those squats, focusing on your form, and finish strong with the lunges.
Time to get moving. We'll start with a few easy squats to warm up. Great job, keep it up. All right, team, let's get started with our squats. Remember to keep your core engaged and breathe. Step it back now for the reverse lunge. All right, beginners, let's get started. March those knees high. And now into your first squat. Remember to breathe.
Let's get started with high knees. Keep that core tight. Now drop into those squats, focusing on your form, and finish strong with the lunges.
Time to get moving. We'll start with a few easy squats to warm up. Great job, keep it up. All right, team, let's get started with our squats. Remember to keep your core engaged and breathe. Step it back now for the reverse lunge. All right, beginners, let's get started. March those knees high. And now into your first squat. Remember to breathe.